Exercise now and fasten your seatbelt. Cabin crew doors armed. Cabin crew arm doors and cross check. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa lipad PR at 2P2997 patungo Zamboanga. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board. PR and 2P2997 bound for Zamboanga. Our pilot in command is Captain Aquino and this is your senior cabin crew po. Our estimated flying time is approximately 1 hour 20 minutes.
Sige po, ma'am.
Ma'am, for a while muna, mag-demo muna kami. Ay, wag na po, wag na.
We will now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push fin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets. Window shades opened, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. Once again, welcome on board Philippine Airlines.
out.
Oh, sira siya. Sira siya. Paayos natin na. Seatbelts, please. Kailangan siya nakaganon, ma'am, kasi mag-take off tayo. Yes, ma'am. Hindi lang kami mag-aakit. Kasi aisle to, ma'am. Oh, ayusin lang namin, sir. Bigay ko namin.
Sige ma'am, later po ma'am. Try ko.
Hindi siya tinutulog sa ayun.
Ayun. Oh.
Emergency yun.
Okay na lang.
Tawag na lang.
As a safety requirement for takeoff, we will be dimming the cabin lights. If you wish to read, reading lights are found on the service panel above you.
Wait, sometime on Takeoff. Sige, turn mo. Wala pa.